Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for a pair of new men's running shoes, you definitely want to check these out from Adidas. They are the Capdir 2.0 running shoes. My husband loves these so much, mainly because of how comfortable they are. The insole is made of cloud foam, which he says it feels like he's walking on clouds. Also, the outsole of the shoe has lots of traction, so it doesn't allow him to slip and fall so easily. We bought these shoes before going to a theme park, and he walked so much. We walked so many hours, and by the end of the day, he told me his feet weren't hurting. He still felt really comfortable and that he could walk even more. These shoes are also great for running if you're going to be playing sports or even hiking. I like the design of the shoe, how it has this nice knit material and how it has the color black on the side. It's easy to match to coordinate your outfits. Also, I like that it's easy to clean since it's in the green and black. The scuff marks don't easily show up. So if you're looking for a pair of comfortable yet trendy tennis shoes, you definitely want to check these out from Adidas. That's my point of view.